Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. So let's start our trading session. We got $100 on the balance. We're gonna open our position for maximum deposit amount, and we are trading on a 1 minute time frame. Let's pick out the indicators. Today it's gonna be the Bollinger Bands, and also it's gonna be the stochastic. Okay, what concerns Bollinger Bands, we set period 13 and the deviation is gonna be 2, save our change. What concerns the stochastic, let's make it most low in relation to the price, set the period 20, and I guess let's also change the overbought zone, let it be 70, and in the horizontal zone we put down 30, save the change. And let's get down to trading and find the better currency pair. Let's start our analysis and find the currency pair with high payout rate. And here I guess we open a long position. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. Select the workspace. There is nothing complicated. We take a look at the stochastic in the first place, so here the crossing is happening. This is our main signal. We also see that the touching took place here and the price has gone down. After this, the movement has moved up again. The support zone play out on this level. And here the price also moved up, but here we also don't see the touching of the upper band of the channel. So now, according to the stochastic signals, the movement should go to the upside and eventually touch this price upper band. That's why we open the long position here. We work ahead of the market here, and I'm sure that the breakout is imminent few seconds before closing, and our position should be closed with a profit. Yes, our first position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $207 on our balance, and let's continue our trading. And let's continue our trading session, find another currency pair. We look for the most profitable payout rate. Look, here is a good trade entry. Let's open a short position here. We select the workspace. Low utility moment here. I want to point out right away that the updating of the local high did happen here. Here we can point out the support zone. It looks like the price tends to hit it. Here the touching of the upper band has happened. If we look at the stochastic, we observe a good signal for the price to go down, and we are not afraid of opening here. I think that the movement will go lower down to the support zone. And basically, I guess we opened perfectly. We already see the breakdown, low volatility. I'm fine with the opening. The touching hasn't happened yet, so this is currently happening, and I think we did great here. And yes, the breakout is happening. There are several seconds left and our position is in the profit, guys. Change the trade amount and let's continue our trading session. Also, we're interested in the maximum trade amount, maximum payout rate. Here we open a long position, wonderful trade entry. We see that our stochastic is at the bottom, and look, after the touching of these boundaries, it went to the upside for the first time, so we cut the timing, and this time is not gonna be an exception. So the pattern is clearly present here. The touch of the support zone happens here. The price movement should go up. Here is the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. And after such a correction, the pullback is coming up and the position is in the right direction, and we are gonna see the breakout at the end, and our position will be in profits. There are literally 5 seconds left before the closing, and wait guys, very nice, exactly as I predicted, the breakout has happened and position is in the profit guys. Very nice, let's change the trade amount and continue our trading. We are not gonna slow down here, find another currency pair. We are interested in the maximum payout rate for trade entry. Here I think we should open a short position. Here is essentially the same situation but in the upward dynamics. So we see on the peak points on the RCI, after which the downward dynamics takes place. Here, here, and here. Here is also we are likely to see one. In theory, we've seen the breakout, the touch of the up boundary did happen. Also point out the resistance zone. Look, here was a pullback, the price bounced down again. Here the piece goes down and now the price should go down again. We did well that opened the short. And you can already see a good breakdown at the inception of the new candle. The price is moving down, so I am happy with this outcome, good trade entry. And there are several seconds left, and again guys, our position is in a profit. Let's refresh the page. And also update our trade amount, put down 1000 and find another currency pair. Carry on our trading. We find the most profitable payout rate. Let's see what do we got here. There is no touching here, so we'd better open a short position. Select the workspace. I'm sure that the local low should be updated, the price should go down. We see more downward movements. Here is a large shadow of the candle. We see that the on the first candle and on the second one, this large shadow. So we look at the stochastic and opening a short. It's the right move here. So here the touch didn't happen, and here is well in upper boundary of the channels, and the price is about to fall down. That's why we opened the short position. So we observe the breakout, the updating of our local low is happening, and there are several seconds left before the closing. And again, our position is in a profit. We got 2000 on our balance. Let's carry on our trading session. We need the most profitable payout rate. Here we open a long position. You know what the trick is here? Look, you should remember us opening the trade on the pullback somewhere here, and back then we closed in profits. Now look at here guys, the pullback has already happened, so this red candle, that's why we open the position, considering the trend direction a little bit different reasoning. Early on, look, there were strong downward dynamics. And now we see the recovery is happening. I tend to think this is the uptrend, and after this pullback, by the way, the touch of the upper boundary didn't happen here, and the price should go up again following the trend. So this is exactly that we see. There are several seconds left before the closing, and my analysis was right. So vision of the market, vision of the chart really helped us out. That's why our position is in a profit, and let's continue our trading. Carry on the analysis. We are interested in the highest payout rate. We see the touch here. That's why we open 3 long positions. We see this huge shadow, the candle down here. That means the price should do the pullback and move up. because there was the update of local law and also the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. Also the stochastic is on the bottom. So in theory, the position is in the right direction, the price should go up. We work ahead of the market, we got 30 seconds left before the closing. And the breakout should happen in the end. And our position should be closed with a profit, guys. So let's see, there are 15 seconds left and I think I cleared this out for you. Let's just watch the price movement. And yes, guys, exactly as I predicted, the price went to the upside and our position have been closed in profits. Let's refresh the page. And let's carry on with our trading, continue our analysis and find the better buyout rate. Here we see the pullback is happening, so that's why we open a short position, I guess. So we have opened our position at the peak point. I think this is not gonna be a mistake. We play with the trend here and we understand the price is gradually going down. Correction also take place, but all of them can't even reach the upper boundary of the channel, it's rare. So here we see the clear upward dynamics, so the stochastic show us the same, and considering the dynamics of this price movement, we make the decision that this correction will be annulled, and after the future movement goes down, especially if we take a look at the previous support zone, and here is the breaking of the support zone at this level, and it tells us that the further price movement should continue going down. You see the breakdown from this particular level, we are open trade, and all our position and profit, guys. So there we go. This is what we got more than $10,000 on our balance. I think this is awesome outcome, and this is where we stop our trading session, and let's move on to withdrawal, I think. So let's withdraw 11,000 and a half. Choose our wallet link, press the continue button, and our withdrawal is processing. I will attach all the screens. This is what we got today. I hope you enjoyed our trading session. Don't forget about my Telegram channel. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't miss your chance to win. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.